Hi there, this is Chris with Chris's Tech Tips. I'm so glad you guys could join us today. Today we're going to perform an oil change service on a Skidoo 1200cc 4Tech REV-XR platform. So let's get into it. Alright, the first thing you want to do here is start it up, let the machine warm up, get the oil good and warm. I usually let it run for about a minute or so. Next thing, you want to grab your tools. You want to grab a T30 and a T40 socket along with a ratchet and a socket extension. Make sure you have a spring puller. Highly recommend a good set of gloves because you're going to be grabbing the exhaust and it's still kind of warm. Last but not least, you want to grab an oil drain pan. I prefer this wider one. Now grab your 40 Torx and remove the oil drain bolt. Now we'll go ahead and remove the panels while the oil is draining. When you're removing the hood, make sure you grab from the top and pull up. Don't grab the outside panels because it tends to put stress fractures in the plastic. Okay, let's remove the left panel. Grab the two rubber straps, pull out on the panel, and the panel has a tab on the bottom, in the middle, and on top. If you lift up, the one on the bottom and the middle will pop out. You push the panel down and the top tab will release. Then let's remove the clutch cover. Next, we'll remove the oil fill and dipstick. Now we need to remove the exhaust. Need to remove the two springs that are connected to the header pipe. Then on the muffler itself, there's one on the front and one in the rear. Okay, right here is the oil filter. I want to go ahead and remove the top cap with a 30 Torx. Next, you want to grab a small pick and work the cartridge filter up, and you can grab it with your fingers. Make sure you get a rag because it's still got some oil in it. Skidoo offers this XPS oil change kit, which is really nice. Comes with the oil filter. Also includes new O-rings, O-ring for your drain bolt, also a new crush washer for your drain bolt, along with the oil filter cap cover O-ring, and 4 quarts of the 0W40 oil. Then you want to grab a small pick, dig underneath the old O-ring, work your way around and thread it off the drain bolt. Then I'll remove the old crush washer. New crush washer goes on. Then I like to take a little bit of oil, throw on the O-rings, helps them slide on a little better. Oil filter cap cover, O-ring. Going to go ahead and remove the old one, lubricate with the new one, and slide it into place. Make sure you wipe off all the residual. Make sure we get a nice tight seal when it goes back together. Then we'll take our oil filter cartridge, make sure the rubber side goes down. Next, we'll install the cap. Then you'll want to grab your 3 8mm bolts. Go ahead and snug those down by using your T30 Torx. Then I like to grab a ratchet. That back one's kind of hard to get to. I was using an 8mm wobbly. Just double checking, make sure everything's nice and tight. And of course I like to mark the date on the cap cover. Next, let's reinstall the exhaust. Now you have the front 2 springs, then the front side, then the back side of the exhaust. 4 springs. Make sure you get this grommet lined up in the frame. And if you haven't already, make sure you scroll down and click that subscribe button. I'm just double checking, making sure everything's nice and snug. We can go ahead and install our drain bolt. Then we'll go ahead and tighten that up using the T40 Torx. Nice and snug, make sure you don't over tighten it. Now we can add oil. Make sure you got a good funnel because we're pouring oil over the drive system. Don't want to get any oil on the drive belt. This particular model holds 3.5 liters. That was my half. Now we'll go ahead and add 3 more quarts. Okay, we'll go ahead and reinstall the oil dipstick and fire this bad boy up. Okay, after running it, now we can go ahead and check the oil level. Now we can reinstall the clutch cover, both side panels, and the hood. And last but not least, we'll take our can of Mow Tool Shine and Go and make sure we wipe off all of our fingerprints. Well, there you have it. Oil change on a Skidoo 1200 4-Tech REV-XR platform. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it helped you out. Please leave me any comments down below if you know a smoother or faster way to do this. Also, give me a like and share this video. It really helps my channel grow. And thanks for all those who have subscribed. Thanks again for watching. I'm Chris with Chris Tech Tips, and we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.